Hi folks, it's Moz here, and I'm going to unbox and review a kit that I never even knew existed. Airfix Released Star Wars back in 1983. Beyond me, I didn't even know that they released anything to do with Star Wars. I thought that was a Revell or a Bandai sort of realm. But I have on my desk this Boba Fett Slave 1 from The Empire Strikes Back. And I'm going to unbox it and have a look at the history of this kit from 1982 to when it was released again in 2022. So let's have a look at the history of this kit. It was first released back in 1982 by MPC. And they called it the Boba Fett Slave 1 Empire Strikes Back 1 to 85th scale. And they released it for about a year, and then Airfix grabbed onto it and released it back in 1983, which is this box here. Then it wasn't seen for 12 years, and AMT and ERTL, I think they call it, ERTL, released it back then with a new box art, and then 10 years later they did it again, but again they called it a Slave 1. And then finally last year, or was it 2 years ago now, MPC released it, but they didn't call it the Slave 1, they called it Boba Fett's Starfighter. And this time you can see in the top left hand corner it has a Disney logo because they bought the rights to Star Wars. I think there's some on eBay if you want to go and have a look, but they're around about 30 to 40 pounds. But yeah, I bought it because of the box art, but I may have to buy another one just to get hold of something that's missing in this kit, which I'll reveal at the end of the video. Just very quickly, if you're enjoying this channel and enjoy the content that I put out, would you consider being a subscriber? It really does help the channel just by clicking subscribe, ring that bell, click all, and you will be notified when I release a new video. Also, any likes and comments also help. So if you've got a particular opinion about this kit, put it in the comments box below. Right, back to the unboxing. And here it is. This is the Boba Fett Slave 1 model kit from Airfix Star Wars The Empire Strikes Back. And like I said, I have never seen a kit like this, and I've collected a lot of Airfix kits over the years. And when I saw it at the Gloucester model show, I had to buy it. I think he wanted 50 quid. I said, will you take 40? He said, I'll take 45. And really, I should have said, okay. I should have said 30. And he might have said 40. So I bought it for £45. As I said, I've never seen, I don't think I've seen Star Wars in an Airfix box in. But anyways, yeah, so they released it, and it says here, Lucasfilm Limited, 1982. So this came out roughly when the film came out. You know, the famous saying, I am your father. So yeah, there you go. So Airfix logoed up, basically. Nice little box art there, and you can see some of the platform from, is it Coruscant's Empire, whatever it was. I'm not really into Star Wars that much. I'm more of a Star Trek Next Generation kind of guy.
Make it so.
You will never see it called Slave 1 now either. Which I've said in the breakdown of where this kit originates from. Empire Strikes Back. On the side there, you've got some graphic art there of the Slave 1. It says on the side here, molded in colour, optional parts, decals, and then you've got it in French and I believe that's German. So there you go. There's that side. The top of the box again. You've got Empire Strikes Back, you've got the box art on the front there, and there's the code for it, 910178, and some more numbers down there. This side of the box, it's saying it's a Series 10. Model kit instructions are in English, French, German, Italian, and the rest. And these are the paints that you need, G8, M1, M6, which are the old Airfix range of colours. but they're not included. Made in France, 1983. So this kit is basically 40 years old. Amazing. Nothing on the back. As you know, it is a battered box. So, but inside, before I bought it, I was able to have a little look and see the kit was still sealed in its bag. There you go. And there is some of the glass there. And looks like you've got some sort of dish there, communications dish. Get 2 of them, and also you get that there for the cockpit glass. And it isn't. It looks like it's very bubbly. Not a lot you can do about that. As I said, it's a vintage kit, but no blemishes I can't see. It's just it's not very well molded. Okay, looks like it's got a bit of tint to it as well. It looks like it's got a bit of a tint to it. But yeah, so there's the glass. I'll put that to one side, and there is the bag there, still sealed. And you never guess what, I'm going to open it. Oh, live in there. Here we go. Let's get risque, shall we? Let's open it up. So right down the line, and there's the plastic. Now, apparently it's supposed to be molded in different colours, but I can't see that. It's all in one colour, this one. And already you can see some of the detail looks quite good on this. Let's get up close. You can see the detail there. That is very nice. Nothing's recessed. It's all raised, obviously, because of the year. On the back there, a few injection pin marks. There's the number of the piece there, 3. So there's the first side of it. So there you go. Let's have a look at the other side there. Again, raised panel lines, lots of it. You can see there. I bet there's a breakdown somewhere, or when they created the original model, what parts came from what. Again, that says number 3 as well, so it looks like you've got 2 3s. A left side and a right side. Okay. This must be the back of it, so that's where probably the engines go. But you can see that, look at all that detail there. Absolutely lovely. To be fair, you can't knock the detail on the back there. And it's quite crisp as well, isn't it? It's not soft. A few little rivet marks there. Or should I say bolts? But yeah, it's what's on the back there? Let me just get in close and let's zoom in. Fun Dimensions Division, CBG Product Corporation, made in the USA. Yeah, just have a quick look at it up close. You can see the detail. Quite impressive, isn't it? You know, 40 years ago they were producing this, and it's being released again, or has been released in the last couple of years by MPC. Okay, so this looks like part 2. Again, look at that detail there, all the way around. It's got a very Voyager look like, isn't it? A Star Trek Voyager. But yeah, lots to do you can on this. You know, you can rough it up. That's quite a nice little piece there. It's all nice and rough. And go on this side here. Got some more of a disc there. I think this is a stand. That might be a stand. That might be a stand for it. Let's have a look at the instructions. That looks like more like a stand to me. But yeah, so there's that piece. Just bring this one up. This must be. So all the parts are labelled on the back. So there's part 22 and 23. Yeah, very tasty. There's like got a left side and a right side there. And is that weaponry there? Looks like, yeah, that must be some sort of laser that you put together. You get 2 of them. There's a piece missing there, but maybe that's loose. There's some bits that I've loose that's come off the sprue, which I'm not too worried about. Well, there's quite a bit here that's all a bit loose. Right, make sure they're all together. And again, more parts there. Nice. Quite a big sprue this. There's no controls. Or you get Boba Fett as well. You get the pilot. Try and get him close, have a look. Oh, that's not too bad actually for a pilot. It's got the helmet and the mask, right? Has it got the jetpack on the back? Can't see a jetpack. There's no jetpack on the back, but then you wouldn't need it, would you? Just sitting down. You've got some grills there, some vents. But yeah, very, very nice. You've got some inner detail there as well on part 4. But yeah, not to be sniffed at. So looks like the cockpit there. Got a piece there's a piece already on the deck here. So, but yeah, it looks like the build up of the cockpit. Again, not much recessed. It has come off now, so that's too big to come off. So here's part number 6. Some more detail there. Tidy, isn't it? Some sort of shaft or pipe, nice and long. Another piece there. Some sort of electronics at the side. Oh, is that the bed? I wonder if that's the bed where you put Han Solo. I wonder if Han Solo's in it. Some more little laser guns there. Let's see it. I wonder if they've got the. No, I don't think they have. Can't see it on that one. But that does look like the bed, doesn't it? That they put Han Solo on. Oh, give me the jeebies now. I wonder if this Han Solo. I didn't see Han Solo, to be honest, so I don't think Han Solo in his. Is it Carbonite? Is it called? No, I don't think you've got Han Solo in this kit, unfortunately. But yeah. There it is. There's all the pieces together. Right then, time for the instructions, and you're getting basically one piece of paper, one A4 folded over, and again you've got Lucasfilm 1982 there. So you're working on the back of the ship there. You've got the clear part, and that goes into these covers here. So they're not so big. I thought they were some sort of dish. They're not. They're basically to create the rockets, I suppose, on the back. And on the back there, you've got, that looks like the satellite, or that looks like the weapons array to go on the back there. And it's saying that you can turn it if you don't glue that part there. You can, or you glue that part in. You can actually turn that in that recess. Step 2's done. Step 3, again, you've got that pipe work there that goes on to the inside of the rear. And you've got 2 sides to go on, and it's saying do not glue them in, allegedly. So you don't glue that on the edge. Oh, I see, because then you can. So no glue on these parts here, I think it's saying, because then you're going to put on, I presume they're the wings. It goes on the side. So part 1, part 2, and 3 into there. So that builds up nicely. Then you've got the tops of the flaps there. I think they're going to call them flaps. Right, so you're into the cockpit. So where it was I had it laying down, it's actually standing up, which is correct actually when I think about it. And there's your Boba Fett in there, and there's your control and everything together. Sure, there should be a clear part then. I did not see. I haven't got a clear part. I'm missing a clear part in this kit. That is what's missing. That is the part that's missing from this kit. What a shame. So yeah, I'm missing the clear part for that. So yeah, so that piece there, that piece goes on there, and you would have Han Solo. Oh, what a shame. Definitely not in the box. I did not see that. when I bought the kit. So yeah, so basically there you got the tank there, and that goes onto that bed, and there you would have your Han Solo. What a kicker in the teeth! What a kicker! Looks like you got some more parts there to go in. I'm not too sure where that is, where that piece goes, or it goes there on the front. So that all builds up. So then and you got the clear part there. That goes on the front, and then that all just bolts together. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's your stand for it, and there's your colours there: brick, red, black, and silver. And that's it built. What a kick in the teeth! I haven't got the clear part. Until I bought it second hand. What a shame. What a shame that's missing. But that sometimes that's the luck of the draw when you buy kits from a dealer at a model show. But say no more. So there you are. That was an unboxing of a very rare kit from Airfix. Never have I seen them do anything Star Wars. Normally we look at Revell or Bandai for these sort of things, but obviously they had the opportunity, in conjunction with a kit that was first released by MPC, to release this to the UK market back in 1983. It's not something I'm going to build. I'm going to put it in my stash, and maybe there's a way of me getting a 3D printed version of Han Solo for this kit, but it's a bit of a kick in the teeth. I paid 45 quid for it. But it's a little bit of history there, obviously. Have you built this kit? Did you remember building this kit back in the day when Airfix released it? Let me know in the comments below, because I'd really like to know. And I'm fascinated in how many people knew of this kit existed, because I certainly didn't. But then again, when this came out, I was 4 years old. But that's it, really. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Ring that bell. Click all to be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave in the box below, because I do reply. And a huge shout out to my channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you'd like to become a channel member, just click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. I do a live stream every Thursday for channel members only. And there are other perks if you join with whichever membership tier you so wish. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, in one of the 4 corners here will be a playlist or a video or something of my channel where you can watch other content that I bring you. And until next time, I'll see you soon. Take care.